What's going on? Richard Hairston here. In this video, I'm going to be talking about 2 must-have email marketing tools for affiliate marketing in 2021. Now, you're going to realize that some people say you don't need to build an email list. You do need to build an email list. I, for one, prefer to build an email list of qualified buyers, okay, people who are interested in what it is that I have to offer them in order to solve a problem that they may have. So the products and services that I offer a solution to their problem. Now, why do you want to be building an email list? For one reason is you have to understand that you don't own the traffic on Facebook, you don't own the traffic on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Snapchat, or wherever it is that you're marketing. So you want to get those people off of those platforms onto your email list, okay, because that is traffic that you now own, and you can email that list every day, every other day, once a week, once a month, however often you want to do it, and you don't have any restrictions on what it is that you send them, other than you have to make sure that your emails are structured right so that you're not sending spam messages. So what I want to do in this video is actually show you the 2 tools that you're only going to need ever in order to, have success online. Okay, so what I'm going to do is actually I'm going to drop down in this corner, and the first tool I want to show you is Get Response. Get Response is an email marketing tool. It sends out emails on your behalf. You probably already know there are places, other tools such as Aweber, Active Campaign, Constant Contact, Infusionsoft, and some other softwares out there as well. I prefer to use Get Response because to me it's the simplest. I do have Aweber, but I use Get Response most of the time. So now in Get Response, you're able to create as many lists as you want to create. So before I actually log into my account, let me just show you the pricing, okay, that you're going to get, or that's available to you, okay. So with the basic, now you get a 30-day free trial with Get Response, and there will be a link for that in the description below. But with the basic, it's $15 a month. List size up to 1,000. And if you click here, you can go up to 2,500, and you'll see that it changes to $25. If you go down to 5,000, then it's $45. So that actually changes, okay, as your list grows. You can go with the plus. I'm on the plus, okay, for the $49. If you go up to 2,500, then of course it's $59. So I'm up to the $59 per month on the plus plan. Then you have the professional, and you can see everything that you get when you go and visit the website by clicking the link in the description. You can go monthly, you can go 12 months, or you can go 24 months. However you decide you want to do it, what best, fits your budget. So Get Response is a great tool that you need in order to, run your business online. So you're going to need, if you're looking to build an email list, you need to get an autoresponder, and I recommend Get Response. Okay, so as I log into the account, as I log in here, just kind of give an idea of what you're going to see. So you simply see here, if you just look around in here, let me close this up. They got some updates. I'll check that out later. You're able to come over here to menu. You can do email marketing, autoresponders, automations, webinars, chats is a new thing they came out with, conversion funnels. So you can build funnels in here, okay, landing pages, forms and surveys, and paid ads. You have store and products, or integration with an API. I'm going to show you how that works in a minute. Mobile apps, and files and images, which means you can upload your images and files to inside of Get Response as well. Then over here you can create a form, a newsletter, create a landing page, add contacts, all of that information here. Okay, so you can just look through here when you get when you get ready. So, but the main thing you want to do is, the first thing you want to do is create a list. So if I go to list over here, and I click on create a list, okay, and I'm just going to create a testing list right here. So I'm just going to name it testing, and I'll just say list, okay, and then I'm going to click create. It already exists, testing list. I'm just going to add a number to it, 26. Click create. Okay, now we have testing list. Now what you want to do, you want to come over here to these three little dots over here, and you see where you can add contacts. If you have a list of contacts, you can add them already. Make it the default list settings, show contacts, show newsletters, show autoresponders. So you can come here and click on show autoresponders. Of course, I don't have any, so you want to click on create an autoresponder. Take me to the new email creator. Okay, you want to make sure you choose here and go down to that list you just created, test list. Okay, you want to give it a title. I would just normally say day 1. Okay, because this is the first day. You want your settings to be on 0 because you want this to go out immediately. And then you're going to give it a subject line, and I'm just going to say testing this out. Okay, so that's going to be the subject line. Okay, and you can add little emojis to it if you want to add an emoji. Boom, you can do it like that. Put a little space in between there. Okay, you want to design the message next. Okay, you come to design message. You have all of these templates that you can go with over here. Okay, you have pre-designed, you have my templates. If you had any in there, you have an HTML editor and existing messages and things like that that you can use. But we want to go to blank templates, and you can choose either one of these. I like to choose this one, use this template. Okay, and I'm just going to quickly, not really type up anything, but just kind of show you how it goes. I'm going to delete the logo by coming over here and deleting that. Going to come back to layout, and I'm going to drag over the text, and I'm going to drop it in there, and I'm going to say hi, boom, this is just a test. Okay, and leave it at that. I'm going to leave it at this is just a test. I can highlight it, and I can change the font size on it to 18 because you want it to look big on people, people on a phone. You want it to look big so they're able to read it. I can come down here and say, I like to use the word enjoy. I don't know why, but that's just me. Enter, then put your name and Richard, and there you go. And if I wanted to add an image to this, I just simply come back over here, drag over an image. Okay, I can browse the images that I have, come down through here. I'll pick this one here. It's going to drop it in there. I come over here and resize it to 250. Okay, put it over to the left. Okay, I got that in there. Now, if I wanted to, I'm going to go back. I'm going to drag some more text. I'm going to put a PS right here. Okay, do a P here. Just gonna put get it now. Okay, now I want to highlight that, and I want to make that as big as well. Go up here and change the font size to 18. Now if I want to hyperlink anything, if I want to hyperlink this right here, I can just hyperlink that, drag over it, highlight it, come here and put in a link, and I can put in either one of these links right here. Or you can type a link in. If I put that in, insert, boom, it's done. If I come down here and do the same thing, click a link, insert a link, boom, it's done. Now that is your message. Come over here and click next. Okay, I'm going to come down here, make sure everything is still set. Testing 26. That's done. Going to take it off the tracking. I'm going to save, and I'm going to publish it. Okay, then we're going to go and see if this letter in there. It's in that autoresponder. It is on and it is ready to go. Now the next thing I want to do is actually grab what I call the API. I want to set that up. So I'm going to come up here to the little dots up here. I like to call it the Ruby cube, but the little dots up here. I'm going to click on integrations and API. I'm going to click on API. And then if you notice, I already have some in here. If I want to generate a key, I'm just going to give it a name, testing. I'm going to click generate. Okay, you notice it's here. The next thing I want to do is I want to copy that code. Okay, and I'm going to put it in a notepad. because I'm going to need it in a minute. Okay, so that's the first tool that you need. You need to get an autoresponder. Okay, and their link for get response will be in the description below. So now that you have your letter set up, you got your API code. You want to have multiple letters in here. I would say at least up to 7 in here. So you can go back to autoresponders, okay, and click add autoresponder and go until you get the amount in there that you want to get in there. The next thing you're going to need is you're going to need a funnel builder in order to build your pages. I recommend the Home Business Academy HBA funnel builder, which is the one that I'm using because it's simple and you can easily get things done. So now you see this is just a page that I put together, but if I come over here to funnels, scroll down, I already have the testing set up. So if I delete this, I'm going to cancel that. I'm going to remove this label because I want to show you how to actually set it up. Okay, so this is one funnel that I already have. So I want to separate these funnels. So what I'm going to do is add a new step. I'm going to do a section label. I'm going to put testing again. Okay, going to submit it. We have testing there. Now I want to add a page. Okay, so I'm just going to simply come over here and I'm going to pick, you have all of these templates that you can choose from in here. You have the perfect template and things like that. Okay, you have some different templates all the way down through here, or you can simply start with an empty page. But just for the sake of this video, I'm just going to do I'm going to pick a template. Okay, so I'm going to pick this template here. I'm going to put testing. Okay, if I can spell it right, testing. Okay, and I'm going to click add. Okay, so this is the testing page. Now the only thing I have to do is change out all of this information. So if I want to get, you know, just come up here and double click. Okay, free video reveals. Okay, revealed, and then your dream statement going to go here, and without the pain, whatever they're going to get. So you're actually able to edit this stuff right here. So if you can add an image here, if you want to click an image, just click add edit image, click it here. I do have one in here, so I just pick this one here, select it. Okay, and then it's going to add that image there, and then if I want to resize it, I can make it bigger, wider. I can come over here and get an angle and make it smaller. Okay, however I want to do it. Okay, so you can add an image there. On this form here, what I want to do is I want to change out this form. But what we want to do, remember we set up the API key inside of get response, right? We're going to come over here and we're going to click on funnel settings. We're going to come to applications. I'm going to click on add an application, and you have MailChimp, Meta, Facebook, Pixel, Get Response, Aweber, and some other ones. I'm going to click on Get Response. I'm going to connect it. I'm going to drop in that key. Okay, I'm going to save and verify, and there it is in there. It is ready to go. Okay, so now when I come over here to edit this form, okay, I'm going to click on edit fields. If I wanted, I can change out these fields here if I wanted by doing this right here. Okay, you can change out all the property. But if I come over here and I click on this little gear key, if I come down here and I pick get response setting, you'll see all of the list that I have. I choose testing list 26, confirm. Now come up here and click save changes. Now my form is connected to this actual list here and get response. And so if I were to, and if I don't want the first name, let's just do this right here. Let's go to styling. Let's see. Let's edit fields. I don't want the first name. I'm just going to take that off of there for now. Enter your best email, which looks good. Okay, I'm going to save the changes, and then I'm going to come over here. Now if I wanted to actually view this, I can click on this view button here. Okay, show in a new tab, and it's going to show that page right there. Or I can actually come over here to the right and click on this up here. And if I enter an email address, let's just say test email address I like to use. Let's see, and yes, I want access. Then it says page not found because I have not connected it to the next page. Okay, so but if I come over here to my autoresponder, that's my email right there. Okay, so it has the information in there. If I click on this, it'll show you that day one message sent. So if I come over here and let me see if I don't have it on this computer here, but if I go to that email address, I can. That letter should be delivered there. So that's what you simply want to do. You need to have an autoresponder, and you want to make sure you have a page builder. Okay, so if I simply want to connect that page, I can come over here and click on add a new step, add a page, come back to the templates, click on that one, and I can put testing 2. Okay, click add. Now that page is in there. Okay, so the only thing I can do is toggle back and forth. You see this page, so if I come here, I want to connect this form. I want to connect this form to that page. I can come over here, your URL, come down through here and pick the funnel. Next step, I can come down here and pick testing 2, select. Now when I enter my information in here, it's actually going to go to that page. So you actually need 2 tools. Okay, you need an autoresponder, okay, which is I recommend Get Response, and you need a page builder, which is where I recommend the HBA funnel builder. Okay, and with the HBA funnel builder, it's only $25 per month, gets you access to the capture page builder, the page builder, checkout, order page builder, membership site builder, step-by-step video training, lightning fast mobile responsive pages, exclusive affiliate rights, referred to and you're in profit, commissions paid each Friday, and 3-day money back guarantee. All of that for just $25 per month. Okay, so those are the only 2 email marketing tools you're ever going to need to have success online. And if you would like to get these 2 tools, go ahead and look in the description below. Click the link to get the autoresponder and click the link to get the HBA funnel builder. Now what I'm doing is I actually created a funnel that I'm using inside of the system right now, running some traffic to it. But what I want to do is to help you actually get going. So as a bonus, that if you join me in Get Response and in the HBA funnel builder, you and I will work one-on-one to create the funnel that you need for your business, or just create a funnel for HBA. Okay, however you want to design, we can work together to get that done. I'm willing to help you do that. The only thing you have to do is join me in HBA and with Get Response, and we'll get you going in the right direction. Plus, you're going to have access to some funnel building training, okay, inside of the Funnel Builder Academy, HBA Academy itself. Okay, so if you want to work with me personally to help you get going, you can get in contact with me by looking in the description, giving me a text, send me a text, or give me a phone call, hit me up on Facebook, or even on MeWe, however you want to do it. Now, I want to thank all of my subscribers. If you have not subscribed, hit the subscribe button below. Give me a thumbs up on that the icon down there. Also, if you have any comments, leave me a comment below. I would love to work with you. So click the link in the description, get your funnel builder and get your Get Response account so we can get you going in the right direction. With that being said, you have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.